The first one we're gonna do is that goblet position Messier squat. So grab your dumbbell. You're gonna place the dumbbell underneath your hands here. You're gonna get your feet out nice and wide. You wanna make sure that this dumbbell stays upright and we're not tipping over. From this position, I'm gonna lower down. I want to make sure that I'm stacking. So I want my hip, my knee, and my foot in a nice straight line. If my feet are too wide, what will end up happening, I won't be able to stack it. I'm gonna have this leg on an angle. Don't wanna have it on that angle. So dumbbells in my goblet position, my feet are out nice and wide, sitting down. As I sit, I'm stacked. This opposite leg should be nice and straight. I'm gonna pop up to my neutral starting position, and I'm back down, sitting back into my heel, popping up, nice and slow and controlled, pushing that ground away, thinking about pushing through the heel, up to here. Once I'm done, safely place the dumbbell down on the ground.